Greetings, CAD users everywhere around the world. CADbots.com here with another time-saving, work-expediting app. This app searches through multiple files for a text string and provides the results to you in a spreadsheet format. There are two versions of this app, a free version and a paid version. This video demonstrates how to use the app. If you want to learn how to download the app, there is a link provided in the description below. Once you have installed the app, you can start the command by clicking on the command button or type in the letters cdbts. cdbts gives you a list of commands created by CADbots that you may have installed on your computer in AutoCAD. When you activate the command, the interface pops up. The add-in or app works in 4 easy steps. First, you have to select a folder which contains your drawing files. If you select a high-level folder, the app will automatically look for drawing files in any subfolders. The list box provided in the interface displays all the drawing files found. There are both horizontal and vertical scroll bars that lets you look at all the files listed in the list box. The second step is to type in a keyword that you need to search for in the text box that says text to search for. If you don't have Excel on your computer, you can choose the CSV option to save the file. Third, click the search button. Below the list box, a number is provided indicating the number of files being searched. There is also a progress bar indicated in green. Once the routine is done, a second number under the list box provides how many instances of the text have been found in the files being searched. There will be a pop-up window at the end of the routine that initiates the Excel or CSV file to be saved. Click on the pop-up window. An Open Report button, green in color, appears below the progress bar. Clicking on this button opens the report that has been generated. In column B of the report, links are provided to all the files that contained the text that was being searched for. The type of entity the text was found in is displayed in column C. Now, the free version only searches in dtext and mtext, AutoCAD entity types, but the paid version looks for the text in block names, layer names, attribute tags, attribute text, and table cells. Columns D and E of the spreadsheet provide the X and Y location where the text was found. You can navigate to this location on your own once you open the file. If you click on the link provided in column B, it automatically opens the file. We suggest that you save the Excel file in a location of your choice, as it is currently being saved in the apps folder. You can exit the app by clicking on the standard Windows red X on the top right corner, or you can click on the Exit App button at the bottom of the app screen. That concludes our instruction on using the Search Text app. CADbots has many such apps that enhance and expedite productivity. If you subscribe to our channel, you'll be notified when we upload new videos for new apps. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. We invite you to email us for any bottlenecks or suggestions you might have for apps for AutoCAD. Email is in the description below.